Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome sync pause problem. So I've experienced it a while ago and I've been having a hard time fixing it, but this time I'm going to show you how I managed to fix it. So here, as you can see, this is my account, and as you can see, the sync is on. And the way I fixed it is I just go ahead and click these three dots here and then scroll down and you should see settings. Go ahead and click the settings here, and then you can go ahead and click privacy and security and then scroll down, and we're going to click third-party cookies. And here I just click this one here, allow third-party cookies, and then down below you should see here allow to use third-party cookies. Go ahead and click this one, and then we're just going to add here accounts.google.com, and then you just go ahead and click OK. And then as you can see here, we have now allowed to use third-party cookies from Google. And then if I'm going to close this one and then open it once again, you can see that the synchronization is now on. I don't experience that same problem anymore. And yes, that is how you're going to fix the sync problem in Google Chrome.